how to construct a website. Before constructing a website, you have to see that when you make a website, you don't only put in some folder in your computer. You have to give it to or open it to the world. For that, you have to buy. Say you go to GoDaddy or HostGator. There are so many. You have to find a place in the web server of the web hosting service. For that, you need to buy a place and buy it for some years, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and you have to buy a name also, the domain name of your website, by which user are going to put the URL of your website, and that will come. So first step is hosting. So first step is on constructing a website is to decide about the web hosting provider. There are so many, and there are several types of web hosting option available. Free web hosting is also there, and you can have payment based web hosting is also there. Then domain name, the URL, that is the domain which user is going to know, or your website or your web pages are known, will be known by this name. So you have to buy that. Then plan your website. After you have decided, or you have got the domain name and for how many years the domain will be active, now you have URL also. Now make your website. Make a website in the latest technology. Use the server side technology and client side technology like the HTML, the JavaScript, the jQuery, the PHP, the ASP, there are so many. You can take advantage of the latest technologies, and then you can make a good website. Select the type of website, because you can either provide information, you can provide product or reference site. So just use a good language, good formation. Then, because website can have one page, even one page can also be called as a website. But because nowadays a website can have multiple pages, so these are multiple pages you have to make and publish your website. Now you have made a website, now you have a URL. Now there are so many FTP clients that I hope the hosting service is going to provide you this FTP client. Now you have made the pages. Now you can do the FTP. You can send it to the server, web server, where you have taken the place. And then means if you update also, you change also, you can, using the FTP client, you can send it. Now the thing is, website you need to promote. The only making a website is not going to work. You have to tell people, you have to do certain promotions so that people understand, know your website. There are so many ways. You can make a Facebook page, you can send to your friends, try them to visit your website. Once it is popular, then your business activity can go on. Then website cannot be left idle. You have to see the latest trends in the market. What is going on? You have to change the things accordingly, make your page dynamic, and visit and change them on the regular basis.